Hi, I'm Immortal, and welcome to Ethical Hacking. This series is super exciting, and trust me, you're in for a ride. Over the next few courses, we'll dive into all things ethical hacking. Not only will this prepare you for the Certified Ethical Hacker, or CH, exam, but it'll also make you aware of what's really out there in the world of cybersecurity. Let's take a moment to think about something. Technology, right? It's everywhere. And it's growing so fast. We're living in a technology-driven world, and there's a truth about it that we can't ignore. Now, understanding this truth, how do I put it? It's like having a shield. It helps you fight off cyber attacks and deal with the issues coming your way. But wait, what do I mean by understanding the truth? Okay, let me break it down for you with some eye-opening numbers. Did you know that over 566 million people become victims of cybercrime every year? Yeah, you heard that right. 566 million. That's about 1.5 million victims per day, or get this, 18 victims per second. Crazy, right? And the cost of cybercrime? It's not just about businesses losing money. It affects hundreds of millions of people globally. In a single year, 657 million identities are exposed. Let that sink in for a moment. Here's a quick snapshot. 40 million identities were stolen in the US alone, 54 million in Turkey, and 20 million in Korea. See? This isn't just a one-country problem. It's a global issue. And with businesses moving more and more of their operations online, the cost of cybercrime? Yeah, it's only going up. Now here's something interesting. Most people think the banking sector would be the biggest target for data breaches, right? Not exactly. While banking does take a hit, industries like healthcare and businesses, they're actually more vulnerable. Let's think about it. Healthcare organizations, they hold tons of personal data, identity details, social security numbers, even income information. And businesses? Well, they lose more than just money. They lose intellectual property. Here's the kicker. Countries are stealing intellectual property from one another, and as long as it helps them innovate or compete, they'll keep doing it. This is a big issue. So, what do? Governments need to step up. But no, I'm not talking about total government control. Nobody wants that. I mean prosecution. Think about this. If someone breaks into your house, who do you call? Right, the police. They come over and sort it out. But if someone steals your credit card or hacks your account, not so simple, right? Your bank might refund the money, sure, but who's actually going after the hacker? And if that hacker's sitting in a different country, how do you even begin to deal with that? So, let me ask you this. How protected do you feel right now? Let's take a closer look at what's really going on in the world of cybersecurity.